Hey everyone, this is Daniel. This is my Gecko video update blog for September the 4th, 2009. This is the second of two test videos that are being put up on my Facebook page. Moving on. My optimized SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 build candidate 1 is now available for download. Here are the change sets that are being used for this build. It is in the releases folder. However, it does have the Build 1 label in the file name, showing that it is just a build candidate and not the actual SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 release yet. If no showstopper bugs are found, then this build will become the actual SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 release. So if that is the case, which I anticipate that it will, when that time comes that it is declared the actual SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 release, I can go and rename the file and delete the Build 1 from the file names, and I can pop up on here and say that if you downloaded Build 1, then you have the actual Beta 2 release. So, that's pretty much how it goes. First of all, I've been trying to get this video out since yesterday, but there have been so many problems with my wording and stuff, especially since this is being posted on my Facebook page as well. And also, there were build issues on Mozilla's end, and there were build issues on my end, and it just caused a whole lot of issues. And so their issue was just about as bad as mine. Essentially, I could have gotten this build out yesterday had it not been for a build freeze during the building process. I won't get into it, but I ended up having to kill that build, stop it manually, make it error, in other words, make it fail, in order to restart the build. And so I had to recompile everything that was compiled at the time. So yeah, of course they had problems on their end too, getting the tags created. I won't go into that because I'll just say that the main thing it did was push the build and QA session back one day to yesterday, of course, when the official SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 candidate build 1 was put up. So my personal build and the official build actually were built at the same time. However, the public build is going to show that it was built today. So don't let the build date fool you. It was it uses the same change sets as the first candidate build for SeaMonkey 2.0 Beta 2. So build dates mean nothing. It's the change sets that matter in this case. Now, it used to be when you pulled the code. Now it is what change set you use. So yeah. But I do anticipate this being the only build before it is declared the actual Beta 2 release. So unless anything else pops up, I won't have an update probably until the 8th. If there is a showstopper bug and it requires a respin, well, then I'll have to obviously put up the new build. And of course I will let you know if that happens, which I don't anticipate it at this point, but as with anything that is software development related, it's ready when it's ready. And sometimes things pop up in the process and you have to handle it before you can continue and go on developing your next version. So yeah, with all that being said, and finally getting this video made, I am Daniel Jeter, and I will see you next time.